We will enter supplier payment. Go to suppliers module, select transactions, select supplier payments. Select add supplier payment. You can select the supplier. Now we have selected foreign currency supplier, and you can see that supplier transactions in GBP, and you can select bank account here, and you can view the exchange rate, and if you select home currency supplier, that exchange rate will not display here. We'll select again the foreign currency supplier. Now you can see the exchange rate and amount in ZAR and amount in GBP. We'll enter amount and we'll select the supplier, or without selecting we will save or process this transaction. Next we will enter customer receipt. Go to customers, transactions, customer receipts, add receipt button. Now you can see after you select foreign currency supplier, that exchange rate will display here, and home currency and foreign currency amounts will display. If you select local currency or home currency customer, those exchange rate will not display. Select we will select foreign currency supplier again, and we will enter amount. We can select bank account, and you can save the transaction process. You can see that all the transactions amounts in USD. You can process the transaction. In the transaction list you can see that total in foreign currency.